Hello all. In my previous class, I had discussed the dictionaries, where initialization, definition, and everything. In today's class, I discussed different types of methods in the dictionary. First one is the length method. So, the dictionary length method gives the total length of the dictionary. This would be equal to the number of items in the dictionary. So, the syntax is the length of the dictionary. So, the dictionary parameter specifies that is the dictionary whose length needs to be calculated. Whose length needs to be calculated, and return value for the dictionary is the returns the length of the dictionary. So consider the following example. Here I have the dictionary which has the values called name, age 7, and class is first. I have initialized the dictionary. Next I am printing the length of the dictionary, calling the length method length of dictionary. That means how many values are there, and according to values and separated by commas are there, means three values. Those are money, age, and class. That's why length is 3 produced as the output. And next one is the next method is the str method. The string method prints produces the printable string representation of a dictionary, and the syntax is the string of dictionary. Here the dictionary parameter specifies the dictionary, and next return value for the dictionary represents string representation. Consider the following example. I have the dictionary which has the value and items as follows: name, money, age 7, class first. Next I am printing the equivalent string which by using the string of dictionary. Here I am printing the entire dictionary with as is, that is name, money, age 7, class first. That is the str method. And next in the dictionary type method, this method returns the type of passed variable. If passed variable is dictionary, it would be written a dictionary type. Syntax is the type of dictionary. Dictionary is the dictionary return value returns the type of passed values. So consider dictionary example. Dictionary is equal to name is money, age 7, and class first, and print the variable type of dictionary. Here type, which one is the type, means when the program run the program, it produces the following result. Variable type is type dictionary. Why? Because here I am which type, whether it is a tuple or a list or dictionary. By using the type method, we can get the which one is a data type. It is whether it is a tuple or a list or a dictionary. So this is about the operations, and next we have the different types of methods on the dictionary. So first method is the clear method. So this clear method removes the all the items from the dictionary. And next syntax for the clear method is the district dot clear, and it has no parameters. This method doesn't return any value. So I have just taken a small program. Dictionary has the values name Jara, age is 7, and next I am printing the statement calling the length method length of dictionary. So and next one is the as soon as the print statement is executed, it follows the result. Start length is 2. Why? Because we have the only two values. Those are name and age. That's why the output is 2. And then calling the other method dictionary dot clear. Here I am clearing the total values in the dictionary. So now there is no values in the dictionary. Next I am printing the dictionary value onto the output screen. So there is no value. So output would be 0. That is the output printed the second result as 0. And next method in the dictionary is the copy method. So this method returns a shallow copy of the dictionary. The syntax is the dictionary dot copy, and this method returns a shadow copy of the dictionary. Consider the dictionary example. Here I have the program name is money, and age is the 7, class is the first, and dictionary 2 is equal to dictionary 1 dot copy. Here I am copying the values items into the dictionary 2 by using the method called copy, and dictionary 1 dot copy, that is the values in the dictionary 1 will be reflected into the will be shadow of the dictionary 2. So the new dictionary values are as follows, produced as output as name, money, age 7, class is first. This is the copy method in the dictionary. And the next one is the from keys method. This method creates a new dictionary with the keys from the sequence and value set to value. So the syntax is the dictionary dot from keys of sequence comma value. The parameter says the sequence means the list of values which would be used for dictionary keys preparation, and the value, this is optional. If provided, then value would be set to this value, and this method returns the list. Consider the following example. I have the sequence of name, age, and next one is gender, and next one is the dictionary. Here I have taken a dictionary dot from keys of sequence. Here I am taking the keys only from the sequence, that is the name, age, and the gender. Here I am printing the new dictionary values. Those are a string of dictionary, and then I am taking the sequence of 10. That means I am placing the value. That means start of dictionary, I am placing the each value as a 10 before each value as 10. Next I am printing the dictionary onto the output screen. So the new dictionary values are age none, and name none, and gender none. So after I am taking the value as 10, so the item as 10, then the values are printed accordingly with their values. Age 10, name is 10, and gender is 10. This is something about the this is the method of the from keys method. And next one is the get method. So get returns the value for the given key. If the value is not available, then it returns a default value. So the syntax is the dictionary dot get of key comma default is equal to none. So the definition for the parameters as follows. Key means this is the key to be searched in the dictionary. Default means this is the value to be returned in the case does not exist. The key does not exist. So the return value for this method is a value for the given key. If the key is not available, then returns default value as none. Consider the following program. Here dictionary has the values name is Jara, age is 27, and then printing the dictionary dot get. Here I am using the method get method. Dictionary dot get of age. Here I am getting the age from the dictionary. So the value is printed at 27, and gender is not available. So that's why we can get not available in the output. So these are the some methods in the dictionary. So there are also some remaining methods are there. I shall discuss the remaining methods in the next class. So please try to subscribe my channel Jairam Infotech, and like my videos, and tell your friends, relatives, share my channel, and ask them to like my videos, and encourage me to do more videos like this. And thank you one and all. Have a nice day.